Hello friends, what's up? It's a Friday guys, and this is very early in the morning here, and I'm here in my kitchen garden as I normally show you every day. We have over 700 waste cement bags turned into a vegetable garden, and we are doing sustainability, introducing a seed bank, and also growing vegetables for nutrition and food security. So we have a lot of things that we have already done. Um, of course, these things are intended for food security and nutrition. As I'm going to show you, we have a demonstrations for urban gardening, we have demonstrations for kitchen gardening, vegetable growing, organic vegetable growing, and a lot more other things. And this is a very interesting project, guys. So, of course, here the world is changing today. We are running into processed things, and we started this simple organization to ensure that we advocate for organic farming, where we use organic sprays, where we use organic manure to ensure that we have healthy and safe vegetables for consumption. Of course, most of you people buy chemicals outside there, and this is mostly the reason as to why we are all becoming sick. There are diseases we used to know that they are for old people, but today they have captured all of us. This is because of our poor eating habits. So we have come up with this project, this initiative, to ensure that we go back to our, our vegetables, seeds, fruits that our grandparents used to actually eat. So this is a mega project for the community that we have started, and we want to empower the community to start growing their own vegetables, to eat safely, to eat nutritious food, so that we can have healthy life. You know, most of the times we are actually becoming very, very sick because we don't know what we are supposed to eat at what time, which quantity. So we are advocating for green vegetable growing, and this is my garden, as you can see. So here we are, and of course this is a by the way, and if you start by the way vegetable growing to this capacity, you can also get some money, some earnings. You can get some earnings as side income. You can use this simple project to earn you some money. So I want to demonstrate to you. I want you to see. This is our urban gardening demonstration. Yes, this is our urban gardening demonstration. Here on this small rack, we actually have more than 30 cabbages on a 2 by 10 feet. 2 by 10 feet. It means the space like that you normally use for a small room can accommodate more than 200 vegetables if you use this urban gardening method. So ideally everyone can grow vegetables, and everyone can have safe and nutritious vegetables for eating. So another thing you're seeing here is a demonstration of a raised garden. This is our raised garden, and of course we are also trying to demonstrate that in a small space you can plant a lot of things. So here we have spinach, we have onions, we have carrots, and a lot more things that we can use. And as I told you, we use organic means to ensure these things are available. So I'll be teaching you on how to make organic manure and organic pesticides. Please kindly keep following this channel. Yeah, this is a side hustle, and this is somewhat a business that you can start at home, and it is something that you can do that can save the money that you can use to start up other kind of businesses. So to actually cut on your daily expenses, you can start growing your own vegetables at home. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly follow, subscribe, and if you want me to discuss about anything related to this project, kindly feel free to put it in the comment section. Thank you so much, and have a nice time. Bye bye.